Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Stella, and today we are going to talk about why native speakers really say no worries.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Stella, do you hear the phrase no worries often?
Yes, I do. I hear it in movies, videos, and real conversations.
Me too. It is a very common English expression.
That is true. Many English learners hear it, but they do not always understand it.
Exactly. Sometimes learners think it is about being worried.
Yes, the words can be confusing.
Today we will explain the real meaning in a very simple way.
Great. I think many learners will find this useful.
Stella, imagine you help your friend carry a bag.
Okay.
Your friend says, "Thank you."
Then I can say, no worries.
Exactly.
In this situation, no worries means you are welcome.
Very good.
It also means it was not a problem.
Yes, that is the real meaning.
So it does not mean there were worries.
Correct.
It is just a friendly expression.
Let's look at another example.
Great idea.
Your friend is 10 minutes late.
Then my friend says, sorry I'm late.
What can you say?
I can say, no worries.
Perfect.
That means it is okay.
Exactly.
It sounds friendly and relaxed.
Many native speakers like relaxed expressions.
Yes, they use them every day.
You can hear no worries at work
At school, too.
and in coffee shops.
Even between close friends.
Now, let's learn some English.
Sounds good.
No worries is a phrase.
A phrase is a group of words with a meaning.
Very good.
Native speakers understand the meaning immediately.
Let's compare some phrases.
Okay,
You're welcome.
formal and polite.
No worries.
Casual and friendly.
No problem.
Also casual and friendly.
Excellent.
Learners can use all three.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Repeat after me. No worries.
No worries.
Very nice.
It sounds smooth and natural.
Let's use it in a sentence.
Okay,
Thank you for helping me.
no worries.
Sorry for calling so late.
No worries.
Sorry I made a mistake.
No worries.
Excellent. We have a question for our listeners. Have you ever heard someone say, no worries? Where did you hear it? Have you ever heard someone say, no worries?
Where did you hear it?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
That really helps our channel grow.
Today, we learned that no worries does not mean someone was worried.
It usually means you are welcome, or it is not a problem.
It is a simple phrase, but native speakers use it a lot.
Yes, and now you can use it too.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.